day everyone! So for this video, we will learn how to make a star stitch. I've used this to create a planter and also a helmet. So let's start. So for this project, I'll be using a cotton yarn with this brand I've bought from Shopee with this label and a grade 7 hook. But you can use, for example here, a Monaco yarn or any yarn that you have. We will begin by creating a foundation stitch that is a multiple of 2, then create an additional 1 foundation stitch. So I have a 23 here in my tutorial. So we will begin our first row by inserting our hook on the second stitch away from our hook. So this is the stitch of our hook, where our hook is the first stitch, and here is our second stitch. So insert it there, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, do that for the next 3 stitches. Okay, insert, yarn over, pull through, insert, yarn over, pull through. Okay, insert on the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you will have 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yarn over and pull through all these 5 loops. Okay, then yarn over again and pull through that loop. That's how we create the first part of our flower. We will do the same pattern by having 5 loops from our hook before clumping it together. So we already have 1 loop over here. The second loop will start over on this stitch. Okay, and the third loop will start on the very last loop that we've did before. Okay, 3. Okay, and for the next 2 stitches, do or create another loop. 4, and now you already have 5 loops. Yarn over again, then pull through all of them together. Yarn over and pull through that 1 loop. So I'll show you again one last time. You already have 1 loop. Next loop or the second loop will be on that here. Okay, third loop from the very last loop we have 4 and then 5. Pull through all of them together, then seal. Okay, so do that till you reach the end. Okay, now I'm on my last half flower. So this is my first, then second, third, fourth, and 5th. Let's join them together, then close the deal. So we only have 1 stitch left over here. We will be doing a half double crochet, then chain 2, 1, 2. Turn your to start the second row, we will be doing a half double crochet on the very first stitch of the row. There you go. And see this stitch? This is where we've joined these 5 loops that we have over here. This is our stitch where we've joined. Okay, we will be doing a half double crochet, 2 half double crochet for that stitch. 1 and then 2. Okay, so for the next one, look where we've did or joined together the 5 loops and create 2 half double crochet on that one. I'll be showing you one last time. This stitch, make a 2 half double crochet on that one. So the second row is just a repetition of half double crochet in one stitch. Okay, do that till we've reached the end. Okay, now that you have created 2 half double crochet for each stitches over here, you will be ending up on the first loop that you have created before and create 1 half double crochet just to make sure you have a straight line. Okay, so we are done with our row 2. Now if you look at the other side, the floral pattern is already visible, meaning the first two the first 2 rows that we have created will show or will be the pattern that we will be following, in which on the first row we've did the 5 loops all together over here, and on the second row we've did or created a half double crochet for each clumps. Okay, so for the succeeding rows, if you want to have 2 rows or more, just follow the same pattern. Okay, continue creating the first and second row till you have the desired length that you have. So for this project or for this panel, I have created 6 rows or 3 floral pattern row. Okay, for this project, I have created 2, meaning 4 rows. And if you have a smaller yarn with a smaller hook, with this project, I have created 5 floral pattern or 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so again, imagination is your limit when doing or creating a project with this pattern.